Enticing and effective marketing campaigns are integral to success in the mortgage industry, yet the process of creating marketing material for these campaigns can be time-consuming. At Bntouch, you don't need to do all of the work yourself. We have already created several pre-made campaigns that you can use. You don't have to make campaigns from scratch, but you also don't need to use them just as they are. You can download our campaigns and edit them to fit your own business needs. Beyond that, you can share campaigns you've created with other Bntouch users, and you can see what they have made available for you to use too. To open the Content Exchange and see what campaigns are ready for your office to use, open the Marketing tab of your CRM and click the Content Exchange subtab. Here, you'll notice that this library is separated into two categories: Campaigns by Bntouch and Campaigns by Subscribers. The first contains campaigns that Bntouch has designed and made available to all users. These campaigns have been created to import seamlessly into your business and put all of the best features of the Bntouch CRM to use, including automated triggers, meta tags to automatically import client and partner data, and campaign group sorting to keep them organized. You can tell that a campaign has been officially designed by looking for the By Bntouch CRM tag below a campaign's title. At the top of the Campaigns by Bntouch section of the Content Exchange, you'll see a list of any currently featured campaigns. The second section of the Content Exchange contains material that has been created by other CRM users, including loan officers and marketing professionals just like yourself. After making campaigns for use in their own businesses, these users have chosen to share their work with you and with other Bntouch subscribers. You can see that a campaign has been made available by another user by looking for the user's name below the campaign's title. Please note that these campaigns have not been reviewed or processed by Bntouch, and that Bntouch is not responsible for the content included within them. Be sure to fully investigate these marketing materials before using them with your clients and partners. Regardless whether you wish to find campaigns by Bntouch or its users, you will see a campaign list search in the Content Exchange. Here, you can enter terms that you are looking for in a marketing campaign. This can be helpful for finding campaigns targeted to new leads, birthday marketing material, or campaigns to help invite clients to borrower or partner portals. Just click Search to find campaigns that match your criteria, which will display below. You can always clear any search settings using the Clear Search button to the right. Alternatively, you can browse campaigns by category using the blue links to the left. When you click on a category, you'll see all campaigns of that type listed to the right. For each campaign that matches your search criteria, you will see its name, its creator and when it was made, a brief description of the campaign, and images of the campaign's marketing material. You can also see statistics on the step intervals, the types of step methods used in the campaign, the number of steps that target each type of recipient, any campaign groups it has been sorted into, and the number of times it has been downloaded or liked by Bntouch CRM users. If you click on the blue title of a campaign, you'll see a more detailed description of the steps and settings for the campaign. You can also preview each step using the blue links below. If you want to import the campaign to your own account, just click the blue Add to My Bntouch button. This will copy the campaign to your Marketing tab campaign list and start the Quick Setup Marketing Wizard for the campaign. If you would like to learn more about this tool, please watch our Quick Setup Marketing Wizard training video in this series. If you find that a campaign has impressed you and you wish to recommend it to other Bntouch users, you can find it on the Content Exchange and click the Like button. This will let other users know that the campaign is helpful, effective, or otherwise great. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the Bntouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.